the manifold, the exhaust manifold. It's all tying down. We got the new gasket here on the tailpipe connection. And yeah, you guys see all of this. Everything's nice and torqued down. We cleaned it all up for the customer. You know, this is how you do a good job for the customers, gentlemen. Got to keep the customers happy no matter what. This is the final product, gentlemen. New gaskets on the exhaust manifold and on the tailpipe, that's gonna lower the sound completely. It's gonna make this customer way happy, you know. This machine was way too loud. We're gonna take it for a test spin now and see how loud it really sounds.